So what are you doing tonight, though? Now you're just watching cops? Have you ever been arrested before?
I don't answer questions. What criminal activity am I involved in?
I can't list it out for you. I can give you all the indicators that you are. Would I have consent to search your carts?
No.
He'll walk around your vehicle, and if he alerts, then we can go from there. Okay. Sound good?
Doesn't matter.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just stay here for a second.
This is retaliation. What? They didn't like me.
All right, cool. I don't hear your expectation. Let me just do this real quick.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Jack from the channel Not Texas Sheepdog 88. You may recognize him from a video previously covered on this channel, where he was brutalized and unlawfully arrested by the San Angelo Police Department. The lawsuit for that case is still pending, but to see that video, use this link. Not long after that incident, on February 27th, 2021, Jack was filming a traffic stop being conducted by the same department. A few minutes after leaving the scene, he was pulled over by Trooper Morante of the Texas Highway Patrol. Note that the red text was added by Jack.
Just north of Williams, right next to Mario Falcone's residence, and he wasn't wearing a shirt.
How's it going?
I wasn't close enough to be able to
Patrol.
see.
Hey man, reason for the stop is a couple things. One, your headlight over here is not working, and then two, you can't be your driver's side one. And then two, what are you doing in a parking lot where all the businesses are closed?
I was watching whatever was going on over here.
Oh, what was happening?
I don't know. Saying SAPD was over there.
Oh, okay. So what are you doing tonight, though? Now you're just watching cops?
I'm not in see right in the lights.
Oh, man.
As mentioned previously, Jack was filming a traffic stop and was using the parking lot the officer mentioned to ensure he stayed far away from the officer's scene. The officer mentions that the primary reason for the stop was Jack's driver's side headlight being out. However, if we refer to the dashcam video of Jack's vehicle just moments prior to the stop, we see that both lights are functioning properly. The officer also catches both lights working properly on body camera, eliminating any lawful reason to pull Jack over. Even after checking the lights and confirming the stop is illegitimate, Jack is asked to step out of his vehicle.
Well, do me a favor, man. Hop out here for me.
Reluctantly, Jack complies.
Hey, can you lift your shirt up? Just make sure you got no guns on you. You place your waistband, turn around for me. Okay, good. All right, man. Just hang tight right there for me, okay? Let me go run your license quick. Give me a second.
The trooper returns to his cruiser to run Jack's license, and now talking to himself, claims that Jack may be intoxicated.
He's on something.
It seems as though his license comes back clean, and the officer begins to interrogate Jack.
So where are you heading to tonight?
I was picking my head out there. Okay. Whenever I was leaving there.
Are you using drugs?
No.
Don't use meth?
No.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you on meth right now?
Oh.
Are you on heroin or anything?
I don't answer questions, but no, I'm not on any drugs.
I can tell you, man, that you're probably on drugs right now.
Well,
Your pinpoints are your pupils are like super pinpoint.
Okay. Well, I don't know. I'm not on any drugs.
You haven't been drinking today or anything like that? Okay.
Completely sober.
Completely sober?
Completely.
Have you ever been arrested before?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
I'm not gonna. I mean, I've already learned.
Oh.
Anytime that law enforcement's ask me any questions, they're just looking for incriminating evidence, and I'm not gonna do that.
It's all part of investigation. It's not like
I just don't wanna.
I mean, it's whether I can look it up to see if you've been arrested. I'm just asking you. I mean, it's just a little easier that way.
No. I mean, I don't see what it matters if I have been or not.
But it's one way to establish.
I've never been convicted of a crime.
No. And I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about arrested. Have you been arrested?
This is retaliation. I hate SAPD.
Oh, well, man, I can't tell you what they do or anything like that. I don't work for them,
Yes, I understand.
Would I have consent to search your carts?
No.
Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to call a canine to come out here and do a canine search, and then we'll continue on, okay?
Can I roll my window up for my dog?
No. We'll roll it up here in a little bit. Yeah. Just stay here for a second.
This is retaliation.
What?
This is bullshit.
Hey, man.
This is bullshit.
They're just simply backing me up. This is not their traffic. This is my traffic.
Retaliation. Like they were, like they didn't like me.
All right, cool. I don't hear your expectation. Let me just do this real quick. I'm gonna work on it. Yeah, let me go as fast as possible, okay? 4 out of 1907. Dispatch, do you have a canine available for a canine search?
The trooper now prolongs the stop for a San Angelo Police Department canine to arrive on scene.
Alright, man, so I am gonna, canine is gonna come out here. He's probably 5-10 minutes away. He'll walk around your vehicle, and, you know, if he alerts, then we can go from there, okay? Sound good?
Doesn't matter.
Exactly.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
This is, you know what, this is bullshit though.
Yeah. Well, you know, I don't...
Prolonging the stop also by, I mean, this is, you said the lights out. I bet
Yes.
you can go turn the lights on and the lights are, and the headlights, both headlights work. I'm sure they do.
Okay.
I bet they do. But, you're saying headlight and now you're prolonging the stop, waiting on a canine.
Agreed.
Okay, well that's,
That's what?
you're not supposed to be able to do that.
Okay.
But to an extent.
100%. Right, you can't, without some type of reasonable suspicion, you can't prolong any stops.
Well,
But I can tell you, I probably got a lot of reasonable suspicion on you that you are engaged in some type of criminal activity, whether that's
Well, I mean,
using
you
possession.
No, you can make up anything you want and just call it,
Suspicion.
huh?
Suspicious?
Suspicious?
Is that what you're trying to say?
No.
Oh.
No, I mean, just anything you can pretty much come up with anything you want in your imagination and say, well, I have reason to believe there's drugs in the car because of this or that. But you can make up anything you want, is what I'm saying.
Okay.
But it's retaliation, and I'm going to be going home tonight anyways.
Okay.
So
Yeah, if you got any problem with PD, you can always complain to them, but...
Oh
yeah, hey, you keep on doing it.
Everything. There's a reason I don't like SAPD.
Yeah.
I've kind of lost it a little bit on law enforcement altogether, but
Yeah.
I try to look at y'all individually. But
Yeah, because we're not SAPD.
But with what you came at me, the way you came at me, yeah, I lost some.
Yeah.
Lost it for you too.
Okay. Well,
And you
well, DPS
disrespect.
doesn't really.
Okay,
We're not.
DPS,
We're not okay with people
SAPD,
committing crimes and being involved in criminal activity. So.
And what criminal activity am I involved in? What do
I can't list it out for you. I can give you all the indicators
have
that
no
you
reason
are.
to think. Huh?
No, I can give you all the indicators if you'd like me to.
So I mean, like I said, you can
My
whatever
imagination.
your imagination can come up with, you can come up with whatever you want. But you have absolutely nothing.
Well, your imagination is our training. You know, we do this for a living.
I know y'all
50 hours a week, 4 or 5 years. You know, you're not the first.
Trained to violate.
You're not the first person that has pinpoint pupils and aren't using heroin or meth or something.
A few minutes later, SAPD K9 arrives.
This guy, you know this guy? He seemed pretty adamant that like he hates SAPD.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. So pretty much he was just chilling in here in this parking lot for at least 30 minutes because I passed him and I made a couple traffic stops. So when I come back, he finally pulls out, turn around, he just waits the stop sign. He's just like waiting, pull behind him, he takes off. But anyways, he's super jittery, like he doesn't know what to do with his hands. He has pinpoint pupils. He does have a criminal history for drugs, and he's refusing to talk any further because he doesn't talk to law enforcement. There is a dog inside the truck. It's like a little baby dog. The passenger side windows rolled down, which the dog is right there. Okay. It's his fallen-ass truck. So there might be a gun. He said he's a no. Not his truck.
The K9 doesn't alert to anything, and after being held up for almost 20 minutes, Trooper Morante is kind enough to issue Jack a warning for a headlight that wasn't malfunctioning.
Alright, man. So there's going to be a warning for your headlight. And like I said, parking at businesses that are closed, not a good idea.
Well, I ain't gonna say it ain't gonna happen again, but
Well, yeah.
it just depends.
So it's just going to be for your headlight for the warning, so no fine, no penalties, not expect your license. All right, there's your copy right there. But you be careful, man. Take it easy.
Jack went on to file a complaint against the trooper. During the investigation, Jack mentioned that he had trouble with the headlights previously and had made an effort to ensure that the lights always functioned properly. That information was used to negate Jack's complaint, with the response adding that the video from the traffic stop supports that only one light was functioning properly at the time of the stop, but in the video, it's clear from both dashcam and bodycam footage that both headlights were working before and during the traffic stop. Let me know what you think about the video. Was this retaliation for filming the police? Was the traffic stop even legal? Or was this a blatant violation of Jack's Fourth Amendment rights, among others? I have edited out a significant portion of the original video that some may feel contains pertinent information. I, however, did not and excluded it. The original unedited video can be found on Jack's channel, and I highly recommend that you visit if it interests you. And while you're there, let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.